Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unique Fashion Every Sunday. This video about casual tea-line dress and beautiful design. This look very awesome. This is very beautiful. This one is very beautiful. Looks very amazing, awesome. This one is very beautiful. This one is very pretty, and this one looks very beautiful. This one is very beautiful in white color. This one is also in white color. This one looks very pretty and beautiful. This one is very amazing. This one looks very amazing. This dress is for summer. This one is very beautiful. This one looks very amazing. This one is very pretty and beautiful designs. All are beautiful designs. So this one is very beautiful. Please support my video and please subscribe my channel. So this one looks very awesome. This one is very pretty. This one is very beautiful, and this looks very amazing and beautiful. This one is very beautiful. This one looks very amazing. This one is very pretty in red color. This one was very awesome. This one is very beautiful. This one is very amazing. So this one is very amazing. This one looks very amazing. So this one is very amazing. So thank you for watching.